including machine learning and predictive modeling, to optimize track design. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze geographical data to determine the most efficient route for a new railway line, minimizing construction costs and environmental impact. Beyond route planning, AI plays a crucial role in designing the track itself. Factors like the curvature of bends, the gradient of slopes, and the placement of signals can significantly impact a train's speed and safety. AI algorithms can optimize these elements to ensure smoother rides, reduced wear and tear on trains, and ultimately, a more efficient railway system. Section 4. The AI Advantage, Safety and Efficiency on Rails. The integration of AI in railway track design brings with it a multitude of advantages, particularly in the realms of safety and efficiency. Let's consider safety first. AI algorithms can monitor the condition of railway tracks in real time, analyzing data from sensors and cameras to detect even the smallest defects that might be invisible to the human eye. This early detection of potential problems allows for timely maintenance and repair, preventing accidents and ensuring passenger safety. On the efficiency front, AI helps optimize train schedules by analyzing traffic patterns and predicting congestion. This leads to reduced travel times for passengers and lower operational costs for railway companies. Section 5. A glimpse into the future AI-powered rail networks. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in shaping the future of railway design is only set to expand. From predictive maintenance to autonomous train operations, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of rail travel. We can look forward to a future where AI-powered systems constantly monitor and optimize railway networks, making real-time adjustments to ensure optimal performance. This means fewer delays and a smoother travel experience for passengers. Imagine trains seamlessly rerouting themselves to avoid delays, ensuring that passengers reach their destinations on time, every time. Or tracks automatically adjusting their temperature to prevent expansion or contraction due to extreme weather. This proactive approach can significantly reduce maintenance costs and enhance safety. The possibilities are truly limitless. With AI, the railways of tomorrow will be more efficient, reliable, and adaptable. By embracing AI, we are not just upgrading our railway infrastructure, but transforming it into a dynamic and intelligent system. This means building a smarter, safer, and more sustainable transportation system for generations to come. AI will help us achieve greener and more energy-efficient rail networks. The iron horses of the future are on track for an exciting journey powered by artificial intelligence. The future of rail travel is here, and it's smarter than ever.